AI is no longer a single tool. It's a growing ecosystem of MCP servers, agents, external providers, and more. But as it scales, governance and security become real problems. That's where Jarvis Registry comes in, an enterprise-grade MCP and A2A agent gateway and workflow orchestration platform. It provides a unified governance and experience layer, improving the efficiency, accuracy, and manageability of your AI stack. What happens when your agents live in an external provider like AgentCore? With Jarvis Registry, business users can use their preferred interface to explore and use those agents through natural language. Let's look at some examples. An engineer is iterating on a feature in VS Code and wants a quick read on token usage before pushing to staging. He describes what he needs in natural language, right from his editor. Jarvis Registry understands the intent and automatically discovers the Anthropic spending agent for the job. It routes the request securely, and as you can see, it executes, bringing the usage summary back in line without the engineer ever leaving VS Code. And this isn't just for VS Code. A content strategist describes her campaign needs in Claude, and Jarvis automatically surfaces the blog agent to co-create a structured draft right where she's writing. And an event coordinator wants to know the weather forecast for an upcoming outdoor event in Jarvis Chat. Jarvis discovers the weather agent and returns the forecast in line. Different roles, different interfaces, all accessing the same governed agents through Jarvis Registry. People simply describe what they need. Jarvis Registry discovers the right agent, checks permissions, routes the request, and brings the result back securely. Today, we announce that Jarvis Registry has full integration with AgentCore, Agentcore Federation. All 3 agents you just saw are deployed on AgentCore and governed through Jarvis. With Agentcore Federation, you no longer need to register agents one by one. If your agents are already deployed on AgentCore, you connect once, and they're all in. And the setup is simple. Configure the provider, connect AgentCore, and sync your agents into Jarvis Registry. No custom integration, no fragmented setup, no code required. Once synced, those agents become governed, discoverable, and ready to use through your preferred interface. And this is not limited to AgentCore. Jarvis Registry is designed to support broader enterprise AI ecosystems, including Azure AI Foundry and other agent providers. The goal is simple: help enterprises use agents with governance, security, visibility, and control. This is just part of a broader vision for governed AI connectivity. Stay tuned for more features from Jarvis Registry.